Illuminati. Today, I, Shalini Aswam, will be the host. Here we have with us one of the toppers of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Ms. Purnima Shukla ma'am. So,
Hello.
she has been placed in the top 3 companies in the campus placement. Hello ma'am. So, let's start with the interview. आपके हिसाब से आपके अंदर वो 3 क्वालिटीज़ क्या है that describes you best, your personality in the best possible manner?
If I have to choose just 3 words, then they'll be sincerity
Okay.
and virtuous and honest.
Okay. And what was the dream you wanted to fulfill as a child and what inspired you for that?
No, actually, in my childhood, I wanted to be a doctor because in childhood, you just think of a profession as what they do. But as I become older, and then I realized that I wanted to be an engineer, a computer science engineer.
Okay. If you had to describe the 4 years of your college life in one word, so what would that be?
That one word would be enlightening.
Lightning.
Yes, as I've learned a lot
Okay.
in these 4 years, there are many things that I've learned. I've grown as a person, I've grown as a student. Yes, so that's why it's
Okay.
enlightening.
Tell us about the phase or incident which you consider as the most enlightening one in your college life.
I can't just say one phase or an incident, the whole journey, the whole 4 years that I spent here, all these single moments, small things, I actually consider enlightening.
Can you
So,
describe any?
how can I describe? I just said one word enlightening, I really can't describe it. So.
What was the first incident that made you turn your heart towards computer science? I mean, why have you opted for it, computer science?
By the time I started studying computer science in my school curriculum, I actually liked programming a lot. So, yes, was the point I decided to
means
be a
like
computer science engineer.
your school on your school basis studies,
Yes.
you opted for it.
That was my favorite subject in school. So I thought that maybe I'll do better in this field.
Okay. Now, being a topper since your childhood, what is the manner in which you plan your studies?
Actually, it's not much of a planning. I study each and everything. I don't leave things, but it's not like I read or study all the time, like 24 hours.
Yeah.
Not, it's not like that. As you can see, you can see me roaming in the college in the evening
means,
time.
we
I
should
only
not
go back.
Take you as a bookworm.
No, I'm not a bookworm.
Okay.
No planning is necessary. Just when the exams are there, you have
Yeah.
to study, and be attentive in class. When you're going to class and you're actually there, so it's good. It's better to be attentive there.
Yeah.
No?
Okay. So here we are getting a lesson to be attentive in the class.
Yes.
Is there any secret recipe for getting good marks always?
Same. Be attentive in class. If you know what is being taught in the
Yeah.
class, and even if you don't revise it, I mean, you should revise it. I don't. But when in the exams time, I study. I just remember what was being taught in the class, and it's easy for me to relate it, and then it's easy to learn.
Okay. Now, being so studious, did you ever have some time for pursuing hobbies?
I only devote some of my hours in studies, and the rest of the time I devote to
Okay,
my
what are
hobbies.
they?
When I was in school, I used to dance a lot. So yes, I even took part in many competitions. And after coming to college, my hobby was mostly playing games or watching TV serials
Playing
or
which kind
surfing.
of games?
Yes, I did play. I did play in the first year of my college. I played games like Freedom Fighter, San Andreas, GTA, and Max Payne 2.
Which is thought as boys like games.
No, yes, I wasn't very good at it, but yes, I did complete it.
Okay, great. You have received placement offers from Verizon, SAP Labs, and Snapdeal. So, what do you think as how one should prepare for campus placement?
One should start preparing from third year itself. I didn't, and that is why I had to face a lot. But yes, you should start putting small efforts since when you are in third year, and mostly you have to be aware of each and everything. In the interviews, they can ask you anything that you have learned right from the first year you come to college. So you should be aware, and you have to be prepared of aptitude. And if you're good at aptitude, you don't have to spend much time practicing that questions. So you have to be good in technical. You should be sound, technically
As well
sound.
as soft skills.
Yes, soft skills. Soft skills, you develop soft skills gradually. It's not like in 1 month or a day you can develop soft skills. So That's
So, how has your experience been as a training and placement coordinator of your branch?
it's been very good. I actually, was able to interact to professors here because you don't get the chance to
Yeah.
interact to professors, and the TPOs that are here in the college are very nice. Plus, I got to interact with each and every student. Being a girl, I do interact with students, but there are only some students that you interact
Yeah.
to. But being a training and placement coordinator, I got, got the chance to interact with each and everyone, and I also got the chance to talk to HRs of different companies, not different companies, the ones who provided training. So they actually helped me in being fluent and not hesitated while
That
talking
brought
to
a
strangers.
confidence
Yes.
in you. Okay. Now, out of Verizon, SAP Labs, and Snapdeal, which was not a cakewalk for you?
It was SAP because the interviews were very long and there was great competition. It was a pool placement. Many colleges were there: NIT Jalandhar, NIT Kurukshetra, NIT Hamirpur, and the CGC. So there were many students.
A lot of competition.
Yes.
Okay. Now, हमारे सोसाइटी में ऐसा माना जाता है कि गर्ल्स को सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स ही बनना चाहिए, इंजीनियर्स नहीं बनना चाहिए. What do you feel about it?
माना जाता है, बट आई से डॉक्टर्स लड़के भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है. एंड दीज आर द ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस है ना, ये बहुत पुराना हो गया है.
Mindset हो गया आजकल.
हाँ, नाउ पीपल डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट, आई सपोज.
The old people's only think about it. Okay. Now, do you believe that virtues hold significance in this modern human lifestyle?
Yes, I believe what I am and what my personality is because of my virtues. So yes.
Now, what according to you are the pros and cons of being a topper?
The pros and cons I've seen in interviews. If you have a good pointer, they'll ask questions. They'll ask tough questions because you have good pointers.
Yeah.
So that is basically, that can be a pro and a con thing for you.
Okay. Now, let's have a rapid fire round. Since you're from Lucknow, so 2 factors that make you feel proud of being a Lucknowian.
Right now, as in the present situation, I'll say the Marine Drive and
Okay.
the food, chaat. It's awesome.
Okay then. Now, if given a chance, the life of which movie character would you like to play?
Jean Grey,
Why?
X-Men. I'd like to have the powers that she had.
Okay. Now, which important quality of your personality has come entirely from sports?
Sportsmanship. Yes, sportsmanship.
Yeah, it
yes.
is really required.
Yes.
Now, do you have some interest in solving brain teasers?
Yes, I like solving them.
Okay. Any special reason behind it?
The most common reason why you actually solve
Okay.
brain teaser questions, you apply your logic there. It's yes.
Okay, that makes
And
sense.
yes, I'm a very lazy person. I don't like to do physical work much. So
Okay. So, what sort of games do you like to play?
I am not. I like playing computer games. Yes.
Okay.
And yes, I like playing indoor games like carom and chess.
Okay. So, our society is facing numerous of problems these days, and which among them disturbs you the most?
I'd say corruption
Okay,
disturbs me
corruption.
the most. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us and giving us your crucial time.
Thank you.